time is the most important asset and equally most valuable asset that each and every one of us in this world have. But it's quite unfortunate that we never have enough of this time. But what if I can tell you today that you can master the act of time management and become more productive with your day-to-day endeavor? As I go through life, I tend to understand that there are three most important scopes and equally features that can enhance you and equally give you the roadmap to become more successful with your time management. Which the first one here is this: you need to have a clear goal of what you want to achieve within a certain period of time. You need to prioritize your goals within a certain time frame. That is, every day I want to achieve X and Y, and you know what exactly you want to use your time for on a day-to-day reality and what you want to achieve. You know all your tasks, and then you begin to act upon it. Once you know your goals, you've set it, you're always dedicated, you believe in your goals at the same time, your mindset is positive, then you are almost there to attack and equally use your time effectively. That's the first one. The second thing that you have to always keep at the back of your mind always is this: you need to pick a piece of a pen and equally a paper and begin to write your goals. Whatever you want to achieve that very day or that very month, you write them down. That is, within a certain time frame, I'm going to achieve this, and from this I'm going to jump to the next one. And that's how you plan your life. You need to work with time effectively. Then the last core important thing that you have to always keep at the back of your mind still, whenever you want to manage your time effectively, is that you need to always analyze your day-to-day activity. Whatever you do that very day, the list of the tasks that you want to achieve in a particular month or in a particular year or in a particular day, you bring them out and you begin to analyze how far you're able to achieve them. What are the effort that you put through? What are the excellent, the point or the path they act upon them perfectly, and equally the ones that need more work on. So you begin to iron on all the action that you take that very day, places that you fail, places that they are good, learn on how to improve on all of the points and equally the path that you fell upon, and the activities that you weren't able to achieve or do them, what causes it? How can I prevent this happening tomorrow? How can I be more efficient with my time tomorrow? You understand? So once you keep analyzing the first one, you need to have a clear goal. The second one, you need to pick a piece of pen and equally a sheet of paper, write down your goal. It could be 5 or 10, I don't know. You write them down. Then the last one, you analyze. Now, once you begin to do this for the first 1 week, the second week, within a month, I grant you become more productive with any job, any task you want to achieve, and you begin to act by default with your time usage. You understand? So work extremely hard in yourself. It's never going to be easy. You have to sit down and calm yourself down. Don't rush your step. Follow it gradually. You don't have to have massive taxes. You need to start from somewhere and begin to increase them over as you become more efficient, as you become more flexible with your time usage. So I have a course on the website that you can go directly now and subscribe to the course. It's just for $25. You can learn about the act of communication and some other core information and equally skills that will set you apart from the crowd. Don't forget, we're in a world whereby things are changing so quickly and equally fast. If you're not going to keep learning and equally sharpening your skills to become the greatest version of yourself, then nobody cares. No one actually just care about you. So go to the social media, go and subscribe to my newsletter and equally stay tuned.